In this quick guide, you'll learn how to delete Stripe from a Jotform. Whether you're making adjustments to your payment options or simply need to remove Stripe integration, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and simplify your form management. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your Jotform account if you haven't already. If you're not sure about your login credentials, try using the email address associated with your account to reset your password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the specific form from which you wish to remove Stripe. Navigate to the My Forms page, where you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Find the form you want to edit and click on it. This will bring up the option to edit, so go ahead and click Edit Form. This action will open the form builder where you can make modifications to your existing form. Once you have your form open in the editor, look for the My Products field. This field is typically where your payment integrations, including Stripe, are housed. Click on the My Products field to highlight it. This is an essential step because it will allow you to access the payment settings. With the My Products field selected, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Payment Properties pane. Click on Payment Properties to open up the settings related to your payment gateway. It's here that you'll manage any changes to your payment integrations. As you explore the Payment Properties, you'll notice a section titled Payment Connection. This is where all your connected payment gateways, including Stripe, are listed. Look for Stripe in the Payment Connection area. It's important to review this area carefully as it's easy to overlook the specific payment method you wish to remove, especially if there are multiple integrations. Now that you've located Stripe within the payment connection, simply click on the Delete option. This action will effectively remove Stripe from your Jotform, disconnecting it from your form and ensuring that it's no longer an active payment option for your users. Double check to make sure the deletion is complete before exiting the editor. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Stripe from your Jotform. If you ever need to add it back or integrate a different payment method, you can easily do so by revisiting the payment properties and following the prompts to connect your preferred gateway. Remember, keeping your form updated with the correct payment options is crucial for smooth transactions and user experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.